Hello everyone, welcome back to Loot Vintage. So today we're going to talk about Sony Xperia Pro-I, and let's get started. Sony is ready to throw down with a new camera-first 5G phone. Xperia Pro-I stands for imaging, which pays homage to Sony's popular line of ultra mirrorless interchangeable lens cameras and professional video cameras. Sony Xperia Pro-I has a total of 3 12-megapixel cameras on the back, main, ultra-wide, and telephoto, and one 8-megapixel camera around its front. Xperia Pro-I rear camera uses 3 glass lenses from Zeiss. Its main 24mm lens has a dial aperture that allows you to change the depth of field more quickly to create authentic bokeh, rather than the digital software created bokeh effect that all the phones produce. The Xperia Pro-I includes the same Bion ZX imaging processor found in Sony A9 professional mirrorless camera for sport, which allows it to take up to 20 frames per second, and burst short similar to Sony's recent smartphones like the Xperia i3. Sony claims that the Xperia Pro-I is the first smartphone in the world that can record 4K video at 120 frames per second and be able to preserve all 120 frames. While other smartphones can record 4K, they often compress the frame into the smaller file, which means you won't have as much control in post-production. The Xperia Pro-I has 6.5-inch OLED display with 120Hz refresh rate at relatively skinny aspect ratio. At a relatively skinny 20:9 aspect ratio, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 5G processor unlocked model should work on the most 4G network in the world, as well as a 6 GHz 5G. There's 12GB RAM, 512GB of internal storage, a micro SD card slot, and a 4,500 mAh battery, which can be fast charged at 30 watts. Xperia Pro-I still has a 3.5mm audio jack for creators who need to plug in a mic, and a strap hole to slide and wrist strap for security. Sony Xperia open pre-order for the Sony Xperia Pro-I will begin October 28, 2021. So don't miss this item. Pre-order now. Okay, that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.